Hi bazala bakamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bakamzitho, it's about a trending video of a young boy. He's very young, ashaya ugogo. This guy is allegations they're saying he's still a student. That means a secondary school student. The pictures that they posted, amanye ugcoke uniform. Not sure about the pictures with student, but we saw the video ashaya ugogo. The grandmother is even asking, ba unibethela ntoni usho njalo ufuna uthi ndibulale. Just imagine guys, umntana omncane, even though umdala kangakanani, just imagine umuntu anesibindi sokuphakamisela ugogo wakhe isandla or umzali wakhe nje isandla over ukudla, even nje noma ngabe umzali wakhe wayenzeni ukuphakamisela umzali wakhe isandla. So this video guys has been trending since from ekuseni, and now ngikhuluma ngayo because I've seen good thing yenziwa uSomizi. Ngibone on Instagram kaSomizi athi ucela whoever owazi ugogo and ifamily kagogo ucela bamcontacte bamhlanganise nogogo, because he really believes ukuthi ugogo need therapy, and yena therapy or counseling yena he's willing to pay for that. And as for umfana lo sonke si-country sazi ukuthi nje makake ayoqambalala ayohlala ney'ntanga zakhe, ngatheni unamandla okushaya bogogo. Futhi ngibona as guys ne akhona amanye ama-parts ngisasho, even though singawavoteli, but abayenza umsebenzi omkhulu, just that abatholi ngathini aba-reward-a ngale ndlela abasebenza ngayo. I saw i-video of i-EFF ila ivakashela ifamily kagogo, and on that video even though bangavezi usisi lo bakhuluma naye, but lo sisi uyasho this video ayishudanga manje, it's been a month isigameko lesenzekile, and ugogo after then waba ne-stroke. Just imagine athi ugogo waba ne-stroke, but now ugogo right. Even though that clip engibonile it was short, ayisho ke ukuthi umfana kwenzakaleni ngaye, and there are also other allegations that umfana umphakathi wasendaweni lapho umshayeli. But mina all engifuna is just umfana makahambe athole i-date yakhe e-court, umfana agwetshwe ahlala iminyaka e-court, because if anesibindi sokushaya umzali wakhe noma ngaba kusugogo wakhe, if anesibindi sokushaya umuntu omkhulisile, umuntu omdala nakuyo, uzoba nesibindi sokushaya intombi yakhe, uzoba nesibindi. That means umuntu onjalo asimfuni emphakathini wethu, uyingozi umphakathi wethu, makayihlala nabantu abafanayo. But bazamzitho, please comment down below ukuthi uyibone kanjani ivideo kagogo. I know ukuthi sonke sizosho ukuthi umfana makacambalala, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.